All right, all right. Today is Friday, December 4th. It is 7:47 a.m. We are in the pre-New York session. Thank you for tuning in. We're pretty much just closing the week out at this point, and we're just looking for the status of the opportunities that we took and whatever possible opportunities that might be presenting themselves but within the New York session, because this is pretty much the last real session. We want to be out the market as early as possible today. Okay. So as far as AJ was concerned, now right now we're on the hourly. We were in this for a sale, and the stochastic hourly momentum is pointed down. The MACD is still pointed down. This is the hourly. Let's go to the 2 hour. All right. And the 2 hour is losing momentum, it looks like, but it is in a no trade zone. Let's just look at the lower time frames. Okay. And on the 15-minute time frame, it looks like we are approaching seller's territory. All right. And let's take a look at the 5 minute. Okay. In the 5 minute, we are approaching buyer's territory. So basically, what this is telling me is we may possibly get a pullback. All right. And we may want to look for a sale during the New York session. Okay. And that kind of goes in line with the trade plan that we already had for the week, which is um, overall bearish for AJ. So we got about 17 pips to the S1 pivot. But this is the area I really like, which is about 31, 31 pips. All right. As a matter of fact, we already mapped this out, and we posted this in the group. Might as well just look at it within this. And it looks like we're in a downward moving channel on AJ. And again, we're looking, reading left, predicting right. We want to test this low. Okay. We want to test this low from this December 20th low here. All right. Hopefully we can get that done within this session. All right. At the same time, we could see price come all the way back up to it can come back up to the top of the channel, right? So beware of that. Just taking a look at it. This is the 15. Again, we're in the middle we're in that no trade zone. So wait for your entry when I would like to go off the 15-minute. Wait for it to reach the top, okay? Or wait for it to bend if it bends in the middle. All right, you want that to be aiming down when you jump in this trade. We jumped in this trade overnight. If you jumped in this trade overnight, I mean, you're already, or yesterday evening, and held it overnight, you're already in profit on this trade. All right. Then we're going to look at GA. GA was another idea that I posted. As you can see, it's also well in profit. All right. It's been setting higher highs, but it hasn't been setting any lower lows. I like to look to test the top of this left shoulder, this right shoulder, this head and shoulders. It could go all the way to the top. In fact, it could go even higher than that. But we don't want to bet on it setting any highs. So I would say use this area for TP1, and you can use this area for TP2. again, you could get some pullbacks as well with this, all right? Because we are in the uptrend, but at the same time, we haven't been setting any lows. So this is the last of the trades for me, pretty much. We're also gonna go. I posted something about the Bitcoin, all right, and same thing with Bitcoin. If you took this trade, you're also well into profit. And you know, same thing is going on with this. I mean, you could get a pullback. We want to see how this candle closes. This is the hourly. At the end of the hour in the next 8 minutes. If you get an engulfing candle, you know, I would get out of this trade. But if not, you know, pretty much just holding on until full profit is reached. Once price reaches down here, don't be surprised if you know, because the overall trend is bearish. Okay. Um, you know, but again, we don't want to bank on it setting any highs, but you may get that Fibonacci 50% retracement. Um, you know, uh, after price reaches this low. Okay. And then as you can see, you know, it was already kind of in a wedge, you know, so also look to see if this level of support, we have a diagonal level of support, if that ends up becoming resistance, and if that does, okay, then don't be surprised if, and then this, we also have this level of support here at this 18117.34 line. All right, definitely if we end up getting price, if this level holds, this is a key level here, if it holds as resistance, okay, then we have this whole area here that opens up for opportunity. So you definitely want to pay attention to that. Again, we're looking for we're using the hourly chart as our guidance here. All right. And we're looking for any type of engulfing patterns. All right. Any type of engulfing candles. Any engulfing candles will kill this strategy. All right. So again, um, price is pressing, all right, not quite engulfing, but we'll look to see where price ends up there in the next 6 minutes. All right. Again, we want to let that candle close. We don't want to assume anything until this candle closes. All right. So yeah, so that's pretty much what we're looking at. I think we were also in, I did AJ, I did GA. All right. I think I need to do GBB CAD. GBP CAD. This was the other one we were doing. All right. GBP CAD. All right, GBB CAD. We're definitely in seller's territory, and I know that we were holding this is another one of our swing trades that we were holding for the week. Okay, so with GBB CAD, let's go ahead and we want to get our short position. Okay, if price breaks this level, this is our area. This is our area that we want to focus on. And let's put our stop right above that candle. And that's giving us a Almost a 2-1. All right, almost a 2-1. So let's publish this one. GBV had bearish potential. Just sorry, trying to mark this up. All right, y'all. So on that again, I'm sorry for that long wait, but I had to muck that up, post the idea. And I said we had almost a 2-1 on that. So we are risking about 32 pips to make 62 pips on GBP CAD. So these are the opportunities that we're looking at this morning. And we'll check in, on Sunday night. So far, it's been a great week. Even if we took a loss on this trade, we're still well up for the week. And let me think. Actually, I forgot to check one more. I'm sorry. Let's go to ACAD. AUDCAD. Okay. We're looking short on this one as well. Oops. Sorry. All right, y'all. This is it, man. I'll holler at y'all next week. Great week.